We're going to install a doorknob. In order for it to work smoothly, you have to make sure that you don't over tighten it. We'll remove all the pieces from the package. Most of these lock sets will expand to connect to different types of holes. 2 3/8 inch on this side, or you can flip it up to 2 3/4 inch. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver, but sometimes the angle's a little bit tight. Sometimes a screwdriver like this will get in a little bit tighter. We'll remove the 2 screws for the handle and separate the handle. First we'll install the striker. We'll insert the striker. Make sure this hole is right in the center. We'll set these screws in, tighten everything up. Make sure everything moves. We'll insert the handle, and this can be a little tricky. It will only fit in one way. Push it right through this slot right here. The other end only goes in one direction. Slide everything together. Double check to make sure everything works, both sides, and it does. Adding these screws can be a little bit awkward because of the doorknob. Lining up these screws can be pretty tricky, and some doorknobs will allow you to put the screws in first like this. Push the doorknob in and then click it in if the holes are open. Put the doorknob on and then spin it. Now you can see that screw is connected. We'll tighten up the screw, but not too much. If you tighten it up too much, the entire doorknob will just seize. Snug it up and then make sure everything works. Then you can go a little bit tighter if you want. If you go too tight, you'll need to loosen it up nice and tight, and it works on both sides. We'll make sure that the latch latches, and it does. Everything functions as it should.